Next chapter is the about the centroid. So first we will go to the chapter centroid. After finding the centroid, then we will go to the another chapter, moment of inertia. So these are the two properties which is very required for the both civil engineering as mechanical engineers, for both for many chapters, for many subjects. So this is the two properties which is required to future. So please concentrate on these two chapters, focus more on these two chapters. Next, that is the difference in the, there is a difference between the, small difference between the centroid and center of gravity. So center of gravity, it is nothing but the, it in the body, if you take away body, it is the point through which the whole weight of the body which acts on that particular point, and the, on that point, whole the, whatever the whole weight of the body is there, that will be acting at the CG, at that point, that we will represented by the CG or G. So this there is only the, in any, if you take any body, there will be only the one center of gravity. Okay, so that's about the center of gravity. Next is the centroid. Centroid is nothing but, if you take in any area through which the whole if you take if any area in a plane is a two-dimensional with an x-axis and y-axis. So if you take any shape, if you come with an x-axis and y-axis, there will be exactly one centroid, one center of the point will be there. So that is called as centroid. So I will explain with some example. So you can see here, center of gravity is nothing but, if you take two materials, where the exactly center will be lies. So how the center will be lies, that is called as center of gravity. How how the any materials will be balanced, that is the center of gravity. Centroid is nothing but the whole weight of the materials will be concentrated at the one, at the singular point. Okay, so the all the, if you come with any axis, x-axis and y-axis, all the, either with any two axes, the exactly where the x-axis and y-axis will meet, that is a centroid. Center of gravity is the whole weight of the substance of any material will be concentrated exactly at the one point. That is the center of gravity. You can take this as an example. This is the shape of the fish. At the, that the black color dot what I am showing, that is the point where the complete weight of the fish will be concentrated at the, at that black dot. Okay, so that is the, that is where, so if you fix that one small hook on that black dot, the whole weight will be balanced, exactly it will be balanced. Okay, so that is the center of the gravity. So if you take the x-axis and y-axis, if you take the whole area and find out the x-axis and y-axis, so you will get one at one point. Okay, if you take that that as a plane, as an x-axis and y-axis as this fish, so you will get one point where the center of the that area will exist, that is called as centroid. Center of gravity means the weight, it is the matter of weight. The whole weight of the material will be concentrated at one singular point. That singular point is dotted in the black color, that is center of gravity, CG, or we call it as gravity. Okay, so that is the major difference between the center of gravity and the centroid. So the major difference, the already given a few points. Okay, so in this, the center of the gravity applies to the body with the mass and the weight, and the centroid applied to the only plane area. So understood? So centroid is the only, it is a matter of area. Center of gravity, it is the matter of it is a matter of the subject of the mass and the weight. Center of the next, another is center of gravity of a body is a point through which the resultant gravitational force act for any orientation of the body, where the centroid is a point in a plane area, where the moment of the area about it axis through the point is 0. So that is the difference about the centroid and center. So it is very important to the examination. Please concentrate on these two.